Hey guys, how you doing? Where am I sitting right now? I am in a hotel room in Amsterdam, Netherlands. We just got here this morning, so I am absolutely knackered after a night of flying. It is a rainy day here, but it's beautiful here. It's absolutely beautiful here. And so we're just about to go and get exploring a little bit. So I'm going to take you with me, of course, and then tomorrow we have a early morning flight to Paris. So right now we're staying at a hotel called Hotel Espresso, and the room is really cute, but we've made a little bit of a mess of it already. I'm gonna do a quick outfit of the day because, of course, how can I not do an outfit of the day? So what I'm wearing is, because it's a rainy day, hello, underneath this jacket, this hoodie is from Uniqlo. It's a man's hoodie, that's why it's so huge. I enjoy mixing menswear with my own stuff. So that's the hoodie. This jacket is from Pomelo. This shirt, it's like a long sleeve shirt, is from Pomelo. Then these jeans are, I believe they're M&G. They have leather on one side and on the back is like a jean. So let's go. I have key card here. Okay. Yeah. We're just gonna take the one. Let's go. Let's take this out. And is locked. So let's go downstairs. Here's the elevator. We are on the 4th floor, and yeah, let's see of what Amsterdam I can show you. This should be fun. Get ready for an adventure. Raining, so we came into a restaurant. I'm sitting here with my son, my hello, this is Google. We haven't had a meal, like a proper meal, since we got off the plane, and I think everyone is starving. Oh, what's that on your lips? Oh, do you see yourself in the viewfinder? Oh. Isa's order just came. He's drinking his chocolate milk and water. I didn't expect it to be so rainy in summer.
It's raining.
Yes, it's raining. So we were just gonna do a little bit of walking around. So anyway, I'll show you when our food comes what we ordered, but this place is really cool. It's just what we needed, warm and cozy and hospitable. we move places. Of Amsterdam. Last time I came, it wasn't as cool. I feel like this time I'm seeing more of the residential rather than the touristy part, and it's so nice. It's really so nice. I really am liking it. Yeah, so it was worth coming back for a second visit, even though it was supposed to be like a kind of like a layover. But yeah, it's really cool. I'm enjoying my walk around. So we're gonna stop at the church and then we're gonna head to the park. But either way, you're coming with, so let's go. So we just came out for a little bit and we're about to go in, just get a hot beverage. We are so exhausted and jet lagged that we're just gonna go, and we're right at the city center but have no energy to wander past. And the little guy is wandering now, so I'm actually going to just end the vlog here, guys, because by the time I get back I don't think I'll have any energy. So I will see you in my next vlog. Have a nice day, everyone. Good night. Channel, but she's a really cool girl and she's organized like a series of interviews. So she puts like 2 or 3 YouTubers together. We ask each other questions, 3 questions each, and we answer